Emirates Airline Cabin Crew Application Process 2023. The application process for cabin crew positions at Emirates Airline involves several stages, including the online application, open day, assessment day, final interview, and the golden call. Each step is designed to assess candidates' skills, qualifications, and suitability for the role of a cabin crew member. The first step is the online application, where interested candidates visit the Emirates Careers website and submit their application. The online application requires candidates to provide personal information, work experience, education background, and upload their resume or CV. It is essential for applicants to showcase their relevant customer service and hospitality experience in order to stand out. After the initial screening of applications, successful candidates can be invited to attend an open day or an assessment day. An open day is a recruitment event organized by Emirates in various cities around the world that anyone can attend without invitation. The open day serves as an opportunity for candidates to meet the Emirates recruitment team and learn more about the cabin crew role. During the open day, candidates are required to bring their updated CV and passport-sized photographs. The Emirates recruitment team provides an overview of the airline, the cabin crew role, and the recruitment process. Candidates may also be asked brief questions about themselves whilst handing in their CV. This is a quick check with the recruiter on how you engage with a stranger, so give a great impression. Following the open day, selected candidates are invited to an assessment day. The assessment day is a more comprehensive evaluation of the candidate's skills, personality, and suitability for the cabin crew position. It usually takes place at one of the Emirates recruitment centers worldwide. The assessment day consists of various activities and assessments designed to test candidates' teamwork, communication, problem-solving, and customer service skills. These activities may include group discussions, role-playing scenarios, team exercises, and individual interviews. Candidates are observed and assessed by Emirates recruiters throughout the assessment day. They look for qualities such as confidence, adaptability, empathy, leadership potential, and the ability to work effectively in a team. It is crucial for candidates to demonstrate their passion for customer service and their willingness to go above and beyond to ensure passenger satisfaction. Successful candidates who pass the assessment day are then invited for a final interview. The final interview is a one-on-one interview conducted by an Emirates recruiter. It is a more in-depth and detailed interview that assesses candidates' knowledge, skills, and attitude towards the cabin crew role. During the final interview, candidates may be asked questions related to customer service, aviation safety, emergency procedures, cultural awareness, and situational judgment. The interviewers evaluate candidates' communication skills, problem-solving abilities, confidence, and their understanding of the responsibilities and challenges of the cabin crew position. If a candidate successfully passes the final interview, they receive the golden call. The golden call is an exciting moment for candidates as it signifies that they have been selected to join Emirates as cabin crew members. During the call, candidates receive the official offer of employment, and they are provided with information regarding the next steps, including medical assessments and the training program. It is important to note that the selection process is highly competitive, and not all candidates who attend the assessment day or the final interview will receive the golden call. Emirates Airline looks for exceptional individuals who possess the necessary skills, qualifications, and dedication to represent the airline and provide world-class service to passengers. In summary, the application process for cabin crew positions at Emirates Airline involves the online application, open day, assessment day, final interview, and the golden call. It is a thorough and selective process that aims to identify candidates with the right skills, attitude, and passion for customer service. Successful candidates are offered the opportunity to join Emirates as cabin crew members and embark on a rewarding career in the aviation industry. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe,